Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Gumroad. First, open your web browser and go to the gumroad.com website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually found in the top right corner, and click it. This will take you to the Login page where you can select how you wish to access your account. To log in with your email and password, simply type your registered email address into the designated field. Next, enter your confidential password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Retrieve this code and enter it to securely access your Gumroad dashboard. Gumroad also offers convenient alternative login methods. You can choose to sign in using your Google, Facebook, or X account. Simply click on the icon for your preferred platform. You will then be prompted to authorize Gumroad to access your account details, allowing for a swift and seamless login experience. If you encounter any difficulties logging in, first double-check that your email address and password are typed correctly. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to receive a reset email. Always ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems continue, reach out to Gumroad's support team for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.